I'm trying to get it together. I'm trying to get to fruits and green leafy plants. That's where you ultimately want to get to, but it's a struggle. I know people who do raw food, raw food, fruitarianism, even cats who call themselves breatharians. And they, you know, it's almost like a joke now. The vegans have turned something into something beautiful into something so unhealthy that I just have to slam vegans now, because it's the, I mean, it's the got to a point now where vegans have gotten to a point where now they think making a meal look like they Thanksgiving dinner, but it's no meat involved, but it looks like, you know, here's some kind of concoction that tastes like turkey. Here is something that tastes like dressing. Here is something that tastes like cranberries. You know, it's just ridiculous. The psychology behind that kind of thinking in terms of health has ruined the whole, especially this nation. It's very easy to become a vegetarian because you got foods that taste like the foods you're trying to get off of. So that's easy. You know, I'm gonna be a vegan. Go get you some soy burgers that taste just like the McDonald's burger that you're getting off of. It's very easy to do that. And that's why you see, you can't be telling me you a vegetarian and you 300 pounds. What's wrong with that picture? How can you, how vegans talking about they're vegan, but they're 200 and 300 pounds? That's what's happening now, and that's like the abnormal has defined what normality is in terms of physiology. So